day is here! Demo day, let's go! Let's go! Here's Johnny! Or Bart. Yeah, it's Bart.
All right, guys, so we have been planning this renovation for the last 3 years. Ever since we bought this house, we have been planning to gut it completely and touch every square inch of this house. The only area that we're not touching is my workshop and also our basement, which is already finished, and there's nothing to do down there. Now, before we started this, we did do a complete budget overhaul of how much everything is gonna cost. And when we started bidding out for the demolition of it, the cheapest bid that we got was $30,000, which completely blew our budget out of the water and we couldn't move forward. So how do we get around spending $30,000? Well, we invited all of our friends, all of our family, and we put the call out for help on social media to anyone that wanted to come in here, swing a hammer for a day, and help us gut the entire house. We promised them food, drink, and a big party afterwards, but throughout the day, we were all swinging hammers and getting as much done as we can. Welcome to our outdated kitchen. So when we bought this house, we knew that the very first thing we wanted to do was to change the kitchen because it's just outdated. It hasn't been touched in 35 years and everything is brown.
Grandma getting it done. Christian.
Oh, sorry.
My man Corey Brown. My baby. And Mr. Dan the cook. Woo. Man, that's pretty awesome. Dude. All right, Jill. Oh. Demo. All right, so we just opened up this this area here in our sunroom, and there are so many ants. Check this out. And that is larvae. Holy cow.
Larva.
Oh my, larva. Larva. Dude, thousands of them. Holy cow. How do we kill them? All right, and this is a carb cleaner, and apparently, according to Uncle Jake up there, they kills, what, ants! Ants! We've been working all day, ants! Whew, that's a lot of work, but before we go any further, I think I should show you guys the floor plan and kind of explain what we're up against, what we're doing. So let's start with the first floor. We're gonna start by removing the load-bearing wall that separates the kitchen and the hallway and opening up that space. Then we'll get rid of the partition between the dining room and the mudroom, get rid of the patio doors into the sunroom, and move that wall over by 2 feet and create an open concept.
Then on the back side of the house, we're gonna demo one wall, pour a new foundation for an addition, bump out that wall by 6 feet, and then move all the spaces around to accommodate the new floor plan. And because Honey Bunny is so awesome, let me do this renovation, I'm gonna be converting the existing sunroom into the coolest office that I can come up with. And hopefully with a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, this house is gonna look like this on the first floor. Now, if you thought we had a lot going on the first floor, let me show you guys the second floor. Up here, we're gonna start by removing all of the interior walls, leaving only the exterior. Then we're gonna frame all new bedrooms and bathrooms for the girls. And what I think is gonna be the biggest change in this house is removing the floor where our master bedroom was and creating a loft that looks over the new dining room. And now we're gonna need a new space for Honey Bunny and me. So we're gonna rip off the entire roof over the garage and build a new master bedroom, walk-in closet, and a large bathroom with a shower that will have 5 shower heads that I'm gonna be able to control with my phone. That's right, we're converting our house into a smart home. Everything's gonna be able to be controlled on my cell phone with the flick of a finger. So after putting on a new roof, all new exterior, the house should look something like this. All right, so now you should have a good idea of what the house should look like. And I'm saying should is because we're changing things every single day. Every day there's another modification, another change order that I have to deal with. But at least it's a good start for you guys to see where we are within the house build, right? And if you guys want to see any of the before shots of what the house looked like before we started any of this, check out the house tour video linked in the description below. And now I have to get back to work because we got a lot of projects to accomplish this year and there's no time to waste. Let's go. All right, so this is what the house is looking right now. We got the kitchen pretty much stripped. Everyone's working on the living room. Dining room's done and we're about to start on the upstairs. And to get everything out of this house, Mr. Grant is going to be cutting a hole in the side of the house. Now we can take stuff from upstairs without having to carry it down the stairs. Yeah! Boom! This was our master bedroom. I don't know what to say. Honestly, guys, I don't know what to say. How big this project is going to be. And I'm super excited because my niece, Lisa, right here, came through with all of her friends to come and help.
Young and muscular.
Young and muscular. I guess that's the thing.
Oh, Katie, working hard.
Yay! Thank you. Yeah. All right, it's fun. Very nice, yes. It's nice. Yeah, boy. So I just ripped off a section. This is actually above our master bedroom. And check this out. I just found this and I had no clue this was up here. Yeah, so this just looks like a soffit and it's just got a bunch of pipes and insulation. And we were not planning on using this area at all, but I think it might be a really fun, like, secret place to incorporate into the house. Where's that other shovel? All right, my friends, today is a day that I have been dreading ever since when you were doing this renovation, and that is to remove all of this insulation throughout the entire house. So Monday, our contractors are coming to remove the entire roof line off of this house, and all this insulation needs to go today. And I'm really not looking forward to it because, as everyone knows, insulation sucks. It's the worst thing that you can do. So PPE, PPE, PPE.
I'm already sweating like a pig. It's so hot in here. Let's just get it over with. Let's go. At least I know they insulated really well. That's a bonus.
And so far, we haven't seen any rotting. There's a little bit in the sunroom, but we are expecting a full-blown rot on this exterior wall. And so far, so good.
Snap, we got wasps. We got wasps. Okay, that crisis is averted. I am deathly allergic to wasps, so make sure to carry a can of wasp spray on me at all times. Oh, look, I got support. This is my buddy Harrison, and he is here to help with the insulation. Well, you better put your PPE on. Yeah. He doesn't sound too thrilled to be helping today. Oh snap, dude, look.
What is that?
Yeah, that's a squirrel. Oh! Alright, so that little poor squirrel down there, that must have been in the ceiling for a very long time because, I mean, it's just hair and bone left. Oh, that sucks. Sorry.
All right, guys, so yesterday I ended up packing up all the insulation from the first floor into these trash bags, and our trash company isn't taking them. So that means I'm gonna have to order another dumpster and just load everything in there. But because this house is not insulated now, our air conditioning is not doing its work. And it's actually like 78 degrees in here, which is still a lot cooler than the 90 degrees outside. And I will take that all day long. But because we're getting a dumpster now, I don't have to worry about packing up all this insulation from the second floor. I'm just gonna throw it downstairs and load it in a dumpster. So I gotta kick this thing into gear because the framers are coming next week to remove all these roof lines, and we're gonna have to cut the power because we're also bumping out this section of the house as well, which needs a foundation port. So I gotta get all of this stuff out of here like ASAP. And I gotta break up that tile in the bathroom and still gut the shower liner. Whoo, let's get it. All right, guys, so now that we have this mountain of insulation, it's gotta be like 15 feet tall. Some of you might be wondering, what are we gonna do with it? And some of you already know. Only thing I can think of. Yep. Woohoo! That was a stupid idea, but fun. All right, guys, so the entire house is completely gutted. All the drywall is off, all the insulation is out of here, and I am so thankful to everyone that has helped out. The entire maker community has reached out to me and wanted to know if they can help in any way, and I'm just beyond words how amazing everyone is. So the next stage of the renovation is going to be the framing. We're going to be taking off the entire roof over the garage and building a new addition, along with building an addition where our old dining room was. That's where the kids were swinging their hammers. That is going to be our new kitchen. We're also going to be adding another bedroom, 2 bathrooms, an office for Honey Bunny, and moving pretty much every single wall in this house. So make sure you guys are following along by hitting that bell notification so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me on this experience. I will see you guys on the next one.
Here goes the light. Just so you know, I know where you all sleep at night. Push her in.
Oh, this is such a bad idea. So far down. It's so far down.